How to use image in HTML. So if you don't know how can you use the image in the HTML web pages, then this is the right video for you. Please watch until the last and you will be able to use images in your web pages using HTML. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press in the bell icon also. So without any late, let's begin to our tutorial. Now I'm showing you my computer screen and you have to follow all the steps to use images in your web pages. This is my computer screen, you can see. So I'm creating a new file and I'm saving it in the, just wait for a moment. I am just saving it, file save, and I'm saving this one in the desktop and I'm just giving home.html, okay, sorry, image.html. now there is an image.html inside my desktop, so I'm just creating a structure of HTML. so HTML, sorry, doc type HTML. now I'm creating HTML and I'm closing this one HTML, okay. now I'm saving it. So from here, okay, just wait for a moment. Now from here I'm just creating a head tag and image try. so I'm closing the head tag and now just wait for a moment. I should to put this image try inside the title tag. so title and demo image test. so I'm closing the title and I'm closing the head also. now from here I'm starting the body, okay, and from here I am closing the body, okay. now this is the basic structure of the HTML. now you can see there is nothing, okay. so how can you put the images, so how can you insert the images inside your web pages? This is one of the simple tricks. so you can see here there is a images.html and now you can see there is nothing, right? so just wait for a moment. if I write the okay, I'm using h1 tag. so if you don't know what is h1, you have to watch my previous video. This is image test tutorial. so I'm closing the h1 tag and now I'm closing it. and if I refresh this one, you can see this is image test tutorial, right? so from here I have to insert the image. so for this you have to you have to use img source and it's equal to, and from here you have to give the URL of your images. I think there is some images inside me. now you can see there is a Nepali motivation images. so I'm using this one, Nepali motivation.jpg, and I'm closing this one, okay. now if I refresh this one, now you can see there is an image inside my web page, right? but if I want to share the size, how can I share the size of my image? so if I want to share, I can use the height. for the height, so I'm using the height, I think 500 pixel, 500 pixel, and I'm using the width, it's equal to 200 pixel, sorry, 600 pixel, okay. and I'm closing this one. now you can see there is a image image size is increasing, right? So this is the perfect size. So hoping that you understand And if you still getting confusion to use image source inside your web pages, then you can ask me in the comment section. There are lots of options available, but if you only want to use the images inside your web pages, then this is the perfect video for you. That's it. Hoping that you understand to use images in your web pages. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you have still any kind of confusion about this video, you can ask me in the comment sections and I'll give you the answer of your each questions. And thank you so much for watching this video. Once again, I'll meet with you another video, but in the last, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon also. Okay, so once again, thank you so much for watching this video, and goodbye, see you again.